Essential oils are more than just pleasant scents. They are concentrated extracts from plants. These oils capture the plant's aroma and beneficial compounds. Think of them as the plant's life force, bottled up. Essential oils have been used for centuries in traditional practices. Today, they're gaining popularity for their potential health and wellness benefits. Essential oils are not a one-size-fits-all solution. It's important to learn how to use them safely and effectively. This guide will provide you with the knowledge to incorporate essential oils into your life responsibly. Let's embark on this aromatic journey together. One of the simplest and safest ways to enjoy essential oils is through diffusion. This method disperses the oil's aroma into the air. Diffusers break down the oil into tiny particles, making them easy to inhale. There are various types of diffusers available, each with its own mechanism. Ultrasonic diffusers use vibrations, while nebulizing diffusers create a fine mist. Diffusing essential oils can create a relaxing atmosphere. Certain oils, like lavender, are known for their calming properties. Others, like peppermint, can help invigorate the senses. Experiment with different oils to find what works best for you. Another common method is topical application, which involves applying diluted essential oils to the skin. Our skin is our largest organ, capable of absorbing substances. When applied topically, essential oils can potentially address various concerns. For instance, lavender oil is often used topically to soothe skin irritations. Tea tree oil, known for its antimicrobial properties, is often used for blemishes. It's crucial to dilute essential oils before applying them to the skin. Undiluted oils can cause irritation or sensitization, especially in sensitive individuals. Always perform a patch test before applying to a larger area. While some essential oils are safe for internal use, it's crucial to exercise extreme caution. Internal use should only be considered under the guidance of a qualified aromatherapist or healthcare professional. They can advise on appropriate dosages and potential interactions with medications. Never ingest essential oils without proper guidance. Some oils can be toxic when ingested, even in small amounts. If you're considering internal use, consult with a professional to ensure your safety and well-being. Section 5. Dilution, the key to safe and effective use. Dilution is a crucial step in the safe and effective use of essential oils, particularly when applied to the skin. Dilution is paramount when using essential oils, especially topically. This process ensures that the essential oils are not too concentrated, which can cause skin irritation or other adverse reactions. It involves mixing a small amount of essential oil with a carrier oil. This not only helps in reducing the potency, but also aids in the even distribution of the essential oil over a larger surface area. Carrier oils are plant-based oils like jojoba or coconut oil. These oils are chosen for their ability to blend well with essential oils and their own beneficial properties for the skin. They help to dilute the potency of the essential oil, making it safer for skin application. This is particularly important for individuals with sensitive skin or those new to using essential oils. The general rule of thumb is to dilute to a concentration of 1 to 4% for adults. This means that for every teaspoon of carrier oil, you should add 1 to 4 drops of essential oil. This means using 1 to 4 drops of essential oil per teaspoon of carrier oil. For children, elderly individuals, or those with sensitive skin, a lower concentration is recommended. Always start with a lower dilution and gradually increase it as needed. This approach allows you to monitor how your skin reacts and adjust accordingly to avoid any potential irritation. Remember, less is often more when it comes to essential oils. Using a higher concentration does not necessarily mean better results and can sometimes lead to adverse effects. Always prioritize safety and start with the minimum effective dilution. Section 6. Carrier oils, your partners in essential oil application. Carrier oils play a vital role in essential oil application. They act as a vehicle, helping to spread the essential oil over a larger skin surface. This prevents localized irritation and enhances absorption. Different carrier oils have unique properties. Jojoba oil, for instance, closely resembles our skin's sebum. This makes it an excellent choice for most skin types. Coconut oil is known for its moisturizing properties, making it suitable for dry skin. Sweet almond oil is another popular choice, known for its gentle and nourishing nature. Section 7. Essential oil do's and don'ts. Your guide to safe practices. Essential oils can be a wonderful addition to your wellness routine, but it's crucial to use them safely to avoid any adverse effects. Let's recap some essential do's and don'ts for safe essential oil use. These guidelines will help you maximize the benefits while minimizing any potential risks. Do dilute essential oils before topical application. This helps to prevent skin irritation and ensures that the oils are absorbed more effectively. Perform a patch test before using a new oil. Apply a small amount to your forearm and wait 24 hours to check for any adverse reactions. Store essential oils properly in a cool, dark place. This helps to maintain their potency and extend their shelf life. Don't apply essential oils near your eyes, nose, or mucous membranes. These areas are particularly sensitive and can easily become irritated. Use essential oils on broken or irritated skin. This can exacerbate the condition and cause further discomfort. Ingest essential oils without professional guidance. Some oils can be toxic if taken internally and should only be used under the supervision of a qualified health professional. Remember, safety should always be your top priority. Being informed and cautious can help you enjoy the many benefits of essential oils without any negative side effects. By following these guidelines, you can enjoy the benefits of essential oils while minimizing potential risks. Whether you're using them for relaxation, pain relief, or other therapeutic purposes, safe practices ensure a positive experience. Section 8. Risks of improper use, allergies, toxicity, and more. While generally safe when used correctly, improper use of essential oils can lead to adverse reactions. Allergies are a concern as some individuals may be sensitive to certain oils. Always perform a patch test before using a new oil, even if you've used similar oils before. Toxicity is another potential risk, especially with internal use. Ingesting large amounts or undiluted oils can have serious consequences. Pregnant and breastfeeding women, as well as individuals with pre-existing medical conditions, should consult with a healthcare professional before using essential oils. Section 9. Essential oils and children. Special considerations for little ones. When it comes to using essential oils around children, there are several important factors to consider to ensure their safety and well-being. Children are more sensitive to essential oils than adults. Their bodies are still growing and developing, which means they can react more strongly to the potent properties of these oils. Their skin is thinner and their respiratory systems are still developing. This makes them more susceptible to irritation and adverse reactions. Therefore, it is crucial to be extra cautious. Use extreme caution when using essential oils on or around children. Always read the labels and follow the recommended guidelines to avoid any potential risks. Dilute essential oils even further for children, starting with a 0.5 to 1% dilution. This means adding more carrier oil to reduce the concentration of the essential oil, making it safer for their delicate skin. Choose gentle oils like lavender and chamomile, known for their calming properties. These oils are generally considered safe for children when used properly and can help soothe and relax them. Always consult with a qualified aromatherapist or healthcare professional before using essential oils on children. They can provide personalized advice and ensure that you are using the oils in a safe and effective manner. Their expertise can help ensure safe and effective use for your little ones. Remember, the well-being of your child is paramount, and taking these precautions can help you use essential oils safely and effectively. Section 10. Creating a safe and effective essential oil routine. Incorporating essential oils into your life can be a rewarding experience. Start by choosing high-quality oils from reputable brands. Educate yourself about the properties and potential benefits of different oils. Experiment with different application methods, such as diffusion and topical use. Always dilute essential oils properly and perform patch tests. Listen to your body and adjust your usage as needed. Remember, essential oils are potent substances. By using them responsibly and with respect, you can enjoy their therapeutic benefits while ensuring your safety and well-being.